Okay, guys.
Just dancing in front of me.
Ignore that jump.
Okay, no
Okay,
help.
guys.
Bala ka dyan! Pag ikaw hinabol, di na kita liligtasin.
Update for second.
Uy, 1 health na pala ako. Yeah! Nosferatu.
Ignore that.
Gana lang, para mas madami pa ata. Ano, Nosferatu.
For you.
Kasi kay Get 6.
Eat
Mahirap
your
control yung Get
crackers.
6 eh. Gawin ko, napapangalan ko na kay Guess 6 ay 552 na. Ayoko i-repeat yung 66. Iba kasi narinig. Yes, balas na sa buhay mo. Reroll. Oh. Kasi sila, wala akong money. What the? What? In the picture. Ay, ang galing! I'm retired. You don't know my prime. Hello.
Hi.
Kapatid ko. Oh, hell no. Tell them that I'm your mischievous daughter instead. How about that? Ain't no way they will confuse us.
I like Conex.
Matching. I know people these days are judgmental. So am I. Okay, I'm a cute. Let me see.
I like.
Oh my
I want to go to the Chihuahua.
I'm gonna put on Millstone 3. How about that? I wanna see of how much of an emo Sultan is now. Or maybe a freaking fanboy. How much a fanboy is now?
Look, I have Suasha.
Chicken that
Natalie!
What? Wait, it's me? Aww. What?
Wait,
That's
I am Suasha.
Oh my
He is.
gosh,
Wow,
it is-
ako na to.
It's a her. Huh?
Ako to. KD, hi. Hi, KD. Hi. Hi. Wow, matay tayo. Mamatay tayo. Tago tayo, KD. Ghost burger. Ikaw ba yan? Ghost burger.
Whoa, what? Oh, well, I'm dead.
You're dead.
Oh, hell no.
You cannot attack me!
Don't like,
Ow!
I don't like how Sultan's looking right now. He looks like a female instead of a male.
Ah!
Wait, I got that one emote. Oh, where is it?
Ah! I didn't die in here. Hi. Hi. Hindi ako matoy.
I'm so sad.
Hindi ako
Okay.
matoy. Ala, may behind sa akin, no? Use the ghost burger.
Trying to ask him, but life yet.
Go away!
Because he's out shopping.
Ala!
Be shopping instead of
Nakita sa
me.
akin.
Yes.
Sino yan? Ah, nakita ko siya, oh. Bye-bye. Hi, guys! Namatay ako. Namatay ako. Diba?
What?
Oh, namatay sa akin na nakita.
What the? Wait, what's the throw thing you do? What is it throwing from?
Suasha.
What's that do? Wait, I wanna go down to the place. Oh, fish. Jellyfish from the fish.
Jellyby. Sabi
James
daw yan.
basement. Okay, let's talk to Mrs. Jane Doe. You see a little woman talking and writing to herself. and if he did my... Bayan? Oh, hello. My name is So. Mrs. Celeste
Sino yan?
Runaway.
Bakit kita sa
The image have it. Yes, of course, again, if you happen to explain this statement for okay, regardless if you don't and not, I'll be rewriting. Wait. Collect this folder. Saan? So, randomize ba lahat ng folder or kung saan sa'yo, dun din yung akin? Like, where, Sherlock, but where can you find the folders? Gambling machine.
Where is the gambling machine?
Okay, where's this one? Oh. Who's this guy? I'm not talking to him.
Uy,
I'm
namatay
not
ako.
wasting my time on nobody.
Sino
Oh, it's
yun?
me! Yeah, let's see if I still got my
Sino yan? Ikaw
skills.
ba yan?
Let's
Do not
see.
kill me.
Papatayin ko kayo. Ah,
No!
I'm targeting.
Ikaw ba yan, Katie? Ikaw ba yan?
Actually,
Natalie! Ay,
more like yung kapatid.
is that
Yeah,
you?
yung kapatid.
Oh, God! God! Ako to.
Hindi talaga makakapokus na ito.
God!
Nakita ko na lahat ng
Uy, nakita ko. Ikaw. Wag niya ako. Sige, man!
What the?
I can see you. No, wait!
Okay, hindi ko na alam paano maglaro.
Uy, gusto ko yan. Ako yan, oh.
Okay, papatayin kita ron.
Ikainin ko to. Yung burger.
Oh my God.
Wala na. I hope Ate doesn't see me.
Me too. Hindi ko na alam paano, wait. Parehas nag-miss.
You cannot catch me. You cannot catch me. La! Aray! Ala, tatakbo na ako. Light. Ala, bantay na. Use the sweet ghost.
Yes.
I'm a noob. I'm a
What?
noob. Do not kill me.
Ay, yung ano, yung clip.
Hindi ako matay. Sino dito ako?
Bro, hindi ko na alam talaga maglaro. Hindi ko na alam.
Ayaw ko na dado eh.
Kailan ba pwede laro mo?
You cannot see me!
Manghihil. Tayo.
Is that you? Saan ka na namatay ako? Oh. Sakot ko.
Panon?
Oh my God! Nakita mo sa akin. No!
Bro, I don't know how to play anymore.
Aray ko. Wala! Ano ba kayo nakita mo sa akin? Kaya matay ka ba? Hindi.
No.
Ate, what's your skin? Ate, what's your skin?
Be.
What's your skin? What's your skin?
ikaw ba yan?
I'm a noob.
Wag niya! Ayoko na nga maglaro!
No.
Nakikisibat kayo eh.
What's your skin? Mine is a noob.
Alam mo sa akin.
Kaya na problema kayo. Gusto ko turn off yung mga dreams ko.
Gusto ko ganyan ikaw eh. Ano?
Wait, astig yung ano na. Maganda yung ability na kay Jingo.
Ang galing mo nun.
Yeah. Parang sa maganda
See your tito. Kitty. Ito. Ahahaha, you cannot get me. I won!
ng ano.
I won! Ahahaha.
Leave ko tayo ng server yung mga kasama tong dalawan ko.
Cellphone ko.
Leave. Kahit saan ako mag-touch na, turn off ko join ko.
Hi.
Huwag niyo ako i-join, naiinis ako sa inyo. Hindi kayo marunong maglaro. Hindi kailangan lagi dikit na dikit sa akin.
So how are your friends gonna play with you?
Okay, wag na lang
Can I put
first.
this in the water so it could remove the
Kasi join this yung dalawa
spiciness?
sa akin. Ganun ko join ko. Hindi ko makakabili sa akin. No! Naka-turn off na kasi joins ko. Hindi sila makakasali sa akin. Leave the facility na lang. Shut up. Shut up. Leave the facility na lang. Pero, kailan mo pala sa avatar mo? Ano na ba na years?
No.
Where's your ear?
Can I play
I don't
with
need
you,
it.
please?
Hindi na ba yan?
Wala sa'yo. Checking the burrito is still not the burrito. Baga. Laro na natin na facility. Pero sa oras ng game na ito, 7 or 8? 9? Wait, which? 7? The time, I'm asking about the time.
Oh, see.
Kaso lang hindi na ako
Aray
mag-mic
ko.
na.
Kunin. Ikot ako.
Hoy, Katie, pumasok ka dito! Ayusin mo, boss, pati paa mo. Paa mo. Paa mo. Yeah. Flee the facility. Sige, habang dito sa last.
Baby, you cannot see me.
Huh? Yeah, para. Bro, I swear. Wait, nandiyan pa rin tayo sa server.
You cannot find me.
Door.
Baby, where are you?
Oh, well. Oh, well, my prediction is right. Oh, wait, there's also a drain that's,
You can push it, Kitty, push it. I'm a wall.
there. Bye-bye.
Ow!
Ayaw ko din.
I hate you.
At yun, lahat ng yung sana ko dati magaling para mawala ito. Mine!
KD, umusot kaya? Ow! Aray ko. KD, you cannot find me. You cannot find me, KD. Look. I'm here. Ala, nagalaw ikaw. Ay! Ay!
Yeah.
Putik yan. Ah! Aray ko. You see, I die. Patay na ako.
Whoa.
Kitty, it's your turn. Kitty, it's your turn to hide.
Okay, wait.
It's your turn to hide. Oh!
Wait. Po.
Find me.
Ito yung mga ano,
Okay.
self-skin na daw yung mga character.
Go, go. Is that you? Slap. Ow! It's you. Aray ko, mama. I'm stuck. Why?
I'm gonna die.
Now it's my turn. You have...
Okay, I'm mamahal. Okay.
I'm not here. Wala pa. Find me.
Wow, that's a...
Sabi ako naman.
Okay, maganda to, Mason.
Wait. Oh.
Kill that boy. The old timeline.
Can you find me?
What? I cross necromancy.
Find me.
Akala ko ba naging Dragon
Find
Crush yun
me.
si 1X?
Find me.
Did I
Find
get
me. I could see you.
8, 7, 6.
Where are you?
Oh, damn.
I'm here.
Look, look. How much?
No, to see me.
Yan na, magkatabi na. Oh, you. Oh.
Alam.
Bro, it's just watching you. There.
Katie, you cannot find me. 4, 3, 8.
What the hell even is that? He's still inside of the blue room. Okay, I'm lagging. Lapitan mo na! Lag.
Aray ko.
Okay, diretso, go.
Katie, I'm not here. Ow! You cannot find
Go!
me.
Oh, okay.
Ow!
Wait, parang mabilis na
Cannot
masyado
find me,
nung pag-block.
Katie. You
Wait,
cannot find me into the ladder. Find me.
Be going down!
No!
Aww.
It's not
Bate!
Find me. Oh! I was not done!
Feel ko yung guess na yun. Ito mo.
Now find me.
Okay. Hindi pa siya.
I know that, Katie. I know. Hello. Boom. Ikaw ba yan? I know it.
I know it. Something. A secret? Aray ko.
What do we shoot a ladder?
I could see you. You're joking now. You see you? I know, Katie. Katie, I'm coming. I'm coming to the purple.
Zero. Alam mo na lang. Naman di kasi ako.
I cannot see you.
Because of that being ice.
Ayan. Oh.
I cannot see you. There's a secret.
Dapat siya dapat dito. Kailangan wala siya.
Is that you, Bangi?
Ito naman kasi ang iyaan mo dyan eh.
Meron pa naman lalaki eh. Kasi yung mga napapalit ko maliit na kasi yung papel eh. Parang buo-buo na.
Ka.
Kitty house, please.
Durog-durog eh. Gamitin mo yung parang ano. Ay, ganun bukas ang maga. Ay, Sabado. Balikan mo rin para makuha mo yung the game.
Call it asada. Call it asada.
You try? Wait, you can get
Wow, galing!
trying to shoot? What the heck? Where was that? Oh, how did I target him? Obviously.
Turns out my brother is really bad at this. He attached 2 wheels, and the space car was assembled, but it couldn't move at the start because it didn't have batteries and no power source. He then added batteries, which made the car front heavy, causing them to explode due to friction with the ground.
Ah, dumbass. Okay, at least I got it. Kaya niya ako pa siya. That shit I'm doing.
Makeup.
Where the hell are you?
Did you know that if you count to 16, it looks like you're singing it? Give it a try.
Father, have you come back? Shit.
Did you know that if you count to 16, it looks like you're singing it? Give it a try.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
At the house.
16. It's good now.
How about
But if
it?
you count
I'm ugly.
the wheels to the front of the cockpit to maintain balance, and the space car moved smoothly and reached the finish line undamaged. You guys should try it too.
That's the demo. What the hell? Wait, there's a retry animation? Oh, I want that. Hold on. Let me see. What's the name of demo? The retry from Hudson. Nice. Wait, what's the name of that anymore? Where he got that? I hold on.
You! It's all because of you!
Ay, parang hula ako na. Damn. Pizza facility. Hell yeah.
I'm that man to like by pushing him
Wait,
under
change.
the
Turn.
block.
Why the heck is he
Could
playing
just catch
Brookhaven?
me.
What the fuck?